Meaning of dilatation.
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 Dilatation. Dilatation refers to the process of expanding or widening something, typically a bodily passage or a blood vessel. The result of dilatation can occur naturally as a part of physical development, such as the dilatation of the cervix during labor. It can also be artificially induced using medical techniques, such as inserting a dilator into a narrow passageway to widen it. Overall, the purpose of dilatation is to facilitate the passage of fluids, objects, or even organs through the body, thereby improving bodily functions and promoting overall well-being.